because I equal fun.
Carmedia.
Here we are, Punta Hermosa, Lima, Peru. Sometimes you gotta get out of the city. It gets a little chaotic. You want a little tranquility. I'd say jump in the car, about an hour south. You can't get any better than this. Very laid back beach, lots of people around, kids running wild. You can rent umbrellas, chairs. Kiko's restaurant, highly recommend it because their food was awesome. I had arroz con mariscos, really good seafood with rice. They bring everything right to you, and you don't gotta worry about a thing. Punta, ooh, ay, ay, ay. Playa Hermosa, vamos. The only gringo around for miles. And that's the way I like it. Works here is you get an umbrella, you get your chairs and everything, and then there's a couple restaurants. Kiko's is the best, they say. But what they do is they literally give you a card with their number on it and say anytime you need something, just text us the order and we'll bring it to you on the beach. Can't get any better than that, right? Estamos aquí en Kiko, restaurante cevichería. Si vienes aquí a Punta Hermosa, no dudes en venir aquí a esta gente chévere, buena atención. En serio, gracias. Forgot to mention, the sunset here is absolutely incredible. Stayed till about 6:30. You can't get a better sunset than this. Wow. So that's an absolute wrap on Playa Hermosa. Wow, you can't get a better day than this. You got beach bars, you got everything right in front of you. The best servers you could ever ask for, the nicest people in the world, beautiful beach, wild landscape. You can't get any better. Step out of the ordinary, subscribe to Karmedia, and don't forget to follow the Puru Guru because he's always got you. I shall see you absolutely soon. Ciao.